this Mosaic training video, I'm going to go through the optimizer runs that are available in the Mosaic Enterprise version. Before we go to the optimize, let's go to the products page. I'm going to select the drop down menu. You can see I've got a very large job here that I need to optimize and build for my customer. The issue is I don't want to build everything at once. I want to build everything in stages or optimize different rooms in stages. I have 12 rooms in this particular project. Let's go to the cut list tab now. Over here on the right, you do have your regular optimize button. Once you select optimize, this does open up a new window called select materials to optimize. You can see you can have machine templates. I'm going to cover this in a different video. You can also select the number of rooms you want to optimize, cabinets, and you can also select runs in here. One nice thing about the Select Materials to Optimize tab here is that you can view existing runs. Let's go ahead and select the rooms here, and I'm going to drop down to the very bottom, and I'm going to select room 1. Let's clear everything out, which is the kitchen, and I'm going to select OK. Now, I'm just going to name this one Kitchen. That way we can have our run 1 named Kitchen, and I'm just going to put 1 there for the room number. Let's go ahead and optimize this one particular room. Now that the optimizer is opened up, you can see you have a runs tab in the Mosaic Enterprise version. Right here is kitchen number 1. There's my job name that I'm working on. If I select the plus sign, this selects all the materials right here I want to optimize. If I go to my materials, it is going to optimize just like everything else will. Let me just select everything, and we're going to optimize kitchen 1. So I've got my MDF doors, I do have my 3/4 melamine and my 5/8 melamine all optimized, and this is all optimized in kitchen 1. Let's go ahead and save the job and close out of the optimizer. Now I'm going to go back into Mosaic, select optimize again, and on this run I want to just optimize the bathrooms in the main house. I'm going to select my room tab, select, clear all. I'm just going to select the actual bathrooms here in this particular house right here. And I'm going to call this bath, how about 3 through 7? That way I know I'm optimizing bathrooms 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's go ahead and just optimize this out again. Once the optimizer opens back up, you can see my notation here, bath 3 through 7. If I go to my runs tab, bath 3 through 7 is highlighted. We've already optimized the kitchen here. You can see the number of parts and the sheets that are required for that. So let's go back to the materials and let's go ahead and just optimize these number of rooms. Now that everything is optimized in baths 3 through 7, I can go back to my runs tab now and double click on the kitchen, and it automatically opens up this particular run just for that upstairs kitchen. Let's go ahead and save the job, close out of the optimizer, and let's go back to optimize, and let's go ahead and run the garage by itself. I'm going to go to the room tab, select, clear all, and I'm just going to select the garage, which is room 12, and rename this run to garage 12, and let's just optimize the garage here. Now that the optimizer's opened up, let's go ahead and re-optimize everything, and I'm going to select all, and we're just going to optimize the garage. Now you can see right now this is garage 12. It's noted at the top here. If I go back to my runs, I've got kitchen 1, bath 3 through 7, and garage number 12. You can see the garage 12 is highlighted or in bold because that is the actual run that is opened up in my patterns tab here. Let's go ahead and save the job. and go ahead and close out the optimizer. If I go back to optimize, and let's say I don't want to optimize anymore, I would just like to view what I have in the optimizer. Down here in the lower right, you can select view existing runs. What this does, this will open up the optimizer just as it would be going to the view menu at the very top, optimizer. So now you can see I've got all my runs listed in the Mosaic Enterprise version for creating optimizer runs.